Hey guys, today we're going to be practicing tracing, okay? Now when we trace, that means we get something and we have to trace around it. So for example, we're going to do our hand. I'm going to get my hand and I'm going to put it on a piece of paper and then I'm going to trace over my hand, okay? So that's something that we're going to do. We're going to practice tracing different things today. One of the first things that we're going to do is we are going to trace our hand. So you need a paper, and you need a marker or a pencil or a crayon, something to write with. So pause the video, get your supplies, and then we'll get started. All right, you guys ready? All right, so here is my paper, here is my hand. I'm going to get, and I'm going to trace my hand. And once I'm done, I take it out and there's my hand. Very good. Now I'm going to turn my paper over and I'm going to find different things that I can trace. I found my scissors. I can use my scissors to trace. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hold it in place. I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to go around. And I'm going to do my little holes and I'm going to take it out. There's my scissors. Very good. And then look, I found a paper clip. I found a clothespin. I have a paper clip over there too. But I think a paper clip is too small for us to trace with our marker. So I am going to use our clothespin. Okay, I'm going to put clothespin right here. And I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to go around. And there we go. There's our clothespin. And I have some shapes. I have some different shapes that we can trace. All right, you guys ready? I'm going to put my triangle up here. And I'm going to trace around it. There it is. I have my trapezoid. I'm going to trace around it. I have my square that I can trace. There we go. I have my rhombus that I can trace. There we go. And the last one, I have a hexagon to trace. I'm going to put it right here on the bottom. I'm going to hold it with one finger and then I'm going to trace around it. And there we go. So I want you to find different things at home, get a marker, a crayon, and a pencil, and start tracing.